The market today is really it's a mixed bag that we're seeing, but the general trend continues. What we've done is we've looked at several key market focuses that we've seen continue to be a mega trend on a global basis, and this is mobility, and connectivity, which drives the Internet of Things, and of course the industrialization that's happening on all facets of the manufacturing space. What has transitioned for us within IMI is that we started now converging all the different assets that we have beyond manufacturing, and including the different intellectual property assets that we have as far as technology is. And we're very happy to note that these pockets of innovation that we have gathered in different pieces of the company like Electronica and STI are now bearing fruit because it's actually aligned with the innovation and the direction that the market is taking. The feedback we're getting has been very positive in the sense that they're seeing now where the capability of the company goes beyond the ability that we're able to have all the different types of manufacturing technology necessary in order to address the consolidation of the different systems that is required in terms of automotive space or in the aerospace side or in the next generation telecom and so on. What we're seeing and what we're showcasing here is that the different internal capabilities such as the bonding, the unique bonding and touch control necessary for the human-machine interface that all the products need, as well as the next generation satellite communication technologies that is necessary in order to complete the Internet of Things and so on. The ability of the V2X communication protocol stack for the vehicles, and the internalization of the electronics that needs to define the new branding concept of the OEM. All of these capabilities are coming together, and that's what we're seeing, and we're trying to show that right now here in the show. The key, the near-term focus for us is to be able to address this inflection point that's happening in the automotive space, where the transition is coming in two parallel paths, and that's been talked about already by everybody, which is the electrification of the vehicle as well as the autonomous driving side. Although both are not exclusive and could independently work together, the amount of automotive electronics that's necessary in order to drive those two paths is where we're very heavily invested in. And if you look into that, the technology that is necessary in order to drive the consumer change as far as being a driver or a rider, or the ability of the vehicle itself to communicate with another vehicle or the infrastructure, and the need for the interior space to transition with a self-driving environment or a driving environment. I think those are the key things that we're trying to put together in the near term for IMI to address.